Welcome to our deep dive into the mysterious world of dark matter. This enigmatic substance makes up a significant portion of our universe, yet it eludes direct detection and observation. Throughout this episode, we'll explore what dark matter is, why scientists believe it exists, how we are attempting to detect it, and what its discovery could mean for our understanding of the universe. Chapter 1: Historical Context and Discovery. Early indications of dark matter. The concept of dark matter first arose in the early 20th century. In 1933, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky made a groundbreaking observation while studying the Coma cluster of galaxies. Zwicky noticed that the galaxies were moving so fast that their visible mass wasn't enough to keep them gravitationally bound. He proposed the existence of some unseen, dark matter to account for this discrepancy. Galactic rotation curves. In the 1970s, Vera Rubin and Kent Ford provided further compelling evidence for dark matter. By studying the rotation curves of spiral galaxies, they discovered that stars at the outer edges of these galaxies were moving just as fast as those near the center. According to Newtonian mechanics, the outer stars should move more slowly if only the visible matter was present. This implied the presence of additional unseen mass, reinforcing the idea of dark matter. Chapter 2: The nature of dark matter. What is dark matter? Dark matter is a form of matter that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to current electromagnetic observational instruments. Despite this, it exerts gravitational forces and interacts with regular matter and radiation in the universe. Properties of dark matter. Non-baryonic matter. Unlike ordinary matter composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons, collectively known as baryons, dark matter is thought to be non-baryonic. This means it does not participate in the electromagnetic interactions that baryonic matter does. Cold dark matter. Most models suggest that dark matter is cold, meaning its particles move slowly compared to the speed of light. Cold dark matter, CDM, helps explain the formation and structure of galaxies in the universe. Weakly interacting massive particles. One leading candidate for dark matter particles is the weakly interacting massive particle. WIMPs are hypothetical particles that interact through gravity and the weak nuclear force, but not electromagnetically, making them difficult to detect directly. Chapter 3: Evidence for dark matter. Gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing occurs when light from distant objects is bent by the gravitational field of an intervening mass. Observations of gravitational lensing around galaxy clusters show more lensing than can be accounted for by visible matter alone, suggesting the presence of dark matter. Cosmic microwave background, CMB. The CMB is the afterglow of the Big Bang and provides a snapshot of the early universe. Precise measurements of the CMB, such as those from the Planck satellite, reveal fluctuations that can only be explained by the presence of dark matter affecting the early universe's structure. Large-scale structure of the universe. The distribution of galaxies and galaxy clusters in the universe follows patterns that simulations show are only possible if dark matter is included. Without dark matter, the observed structures would not have had enough time to form. Chapter 4: Theoretical models of dark matter. Axions. Axions are hypothetical particles proposed as a solution to the strong CP problem in quantum chromodynamics, QCD. They are light and interact very weakly with matter, making them a potential dark matter candidate. Sterile neutrinos. Sterile neutrinos are hypothetical particles that do not interact via the standard weak interactions but could contribute to dark matter. They would interact only through gravity and potentially via new unknown forces. Modified gravity theories. Some theories suggest modifying our understanding of gravity to explain dark matter phenomena. These include modified Newtonian dynamics, MOND, and TeVs, tensor vector scalar gravity, which propose changes to Newton's laws and general relativity at galactic scales. Supersymmetry, SUSY. Supersymmetry is a theoretical framework that extends the standard model of particle physics by adding a symmetry between fermions and bosons. In SUSY, each particle has a heavier superpartner, some of which could be WIMPs and serve as dark matter candidates. Chapter 5: Detection Methods. Direct detection. Direct detection experiments aim to observe dark matter particles interacting with normal matter. These experiments typically involve highly sensitive detectors placed deep underground to shield them from cosmic rays and other background noise. Cryogenic detectors. Cryogenic detectors operate at extremely low temperatures to detect the small amounts of energy deposited by dark matter particles colliding with atomic nuclei. Indirect detection. Indirect detection methods search for the byproducts of dark matter annihilations or decays, such as gamma rays, neutrinos, or positrons. Gamma ray telescopes. Gamma ray telescopes, like the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, observe high-energy photons that could result from dark matter annihilations in regions with high dark matter density, such as the center of our galaxy. Neutrino detectors. Neutrino detectors, like IceCube in Antarctica, look for neutrinos produced by dark matter interactions within the Sun or other celestial bodies. Chapter 6: Significance in Cosmology. Role in galaxy formation. Dark matter plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Its gravitational influence helps to pull ordinary matter together, forming galaxies and galaxy clusters. Dark matter and dark energy. While dark matter accounts for about 27% of the universe's mass energy content, dark energy makes up approximately 68%. Understanding dark matter is essential for a complete picture of the cosmos and its fate. Implications for fundamental physics. Discovering the nature of dark matter would have profound implications for particle physics, potentially revealing new particles and forces. It could also provide insights into the early universe and the conditions that led to the formation of galaxies and large-scale structures. Conclusion. Dark matter remains one of the most intriguing and elusive components of the universe. Its discovery and understanding will not only answer fundamental questions about the universe's composition and evolution but also open new frontiers in physics and cosmology. The ongoing efforts in detection and theoretical modeling bring us closer to unveiling the secrets of this invisible yet omnipresent substance.